Yvonne from Michigan, everybody. He is ready, our next slime star. Come on over here, man. Take a seat. All right, now I want you to sit up nice and straight for me. And stay right where you are. Don't move a muscle when that slime comes down. Are you ready? It's a little slippery. It's a little slick, isn't it? It's like sitting on butter. Now you can stay right there. Are you ready, man? Look at those cameras. Give me that big smile. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Put your head up, buddy. Let it hit top of your head. There you go. Nice. Now rub that slime in your face. Rub it on your chin. There you go. That's how it's done. Nice job. Now give me some muscles for the camera.
Give me your biggest smile. Let me see that smile. How about a thumbs up? Slime monster. Oh, slime zombie.
The slime zombie is here. Good job, man. Joanne will take care. Hey, guys.
Oh, no, guys. Drop that back down. Yeah, leave it there. That's all dirty. All right, hey, guys. What's your name?
All right, everybody, here comes Yvonne from Michigan. All right, buddy, stay back here for a minute. Let's get you all set.
All right, buddy, come on over here, bud. I'm going to have you hop down. Take a seat right there, okay? Ready? Got it? Perfect. You stay right there. Are you ready for that slime? Yeah, give me that smile.
Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, sit up, buddy, sit up. Put your head up. Put your head up. Put your head up. There you go. Nice. Now grab that slime in your lap and rub it on your face. Get that on your chin. And your nose. Here you go. Give me that smile, man. Now some muscles.
Give me that slime monster. Good job.
Looks like an elephant just sneezed on your head.